Tinnitus describes unpleasant sounds in the ear that do not come from an external source. Everyone affected hears a different personal sound. Some may hear whistling, while others hear buzzing or roaring. What all these noises have in common is that they're perceived as a nuisance and impair the sufferer's quality of life. Tinnitus is usually triggered by stress, increasing age, or tense neck and jaw muscles. Wet weather, stress, and certain head movements can make the buzzing and whistling in the ear even worse. One thing applies to every type of tinnitus. The more attention you pay to the noise, the louder and more annoying it gets, and the more deeply entrenched it becomes in the brain's auditory cortex. Systematic acoustic distraction is therefore almost always an important factor in recovery. Most tinnitus sufferers find sounds aimed at masking the tinnitus much more pleasant than the constant whistling in the ear. This is because covering or masking the sounds with specially composed soundscapes relaxes the entire nervous system and breaks down the highly detrimental fixation on the irritating noise. Based on tinnitus retraining therapy, the certified applications were developed by researchers, doctors, and sound engineers. These pieces, each lasting 60 minutes, make use of groundbreaking neuroscientific knowledge from the Tinnitus Research Center to facilitate a systematic healing process. The underlying principle is quite simple. The soundscapes minimize the volume of the tinnitus in the auditory system and make the brain block out the disruptive noise. This enables you to ignore the tinnitus, which ceases to be a nuisance or may even disappear altogether. All you need is your smartphone, tablet, or notebook, one of the 6 soundscapes in outstanding audio quality, stereo headphones. Wherever possible, please use high-quality products with good sound. This simple method allows you to push the tinnitus into the background and counteract any fixation on the noise. At the same time, you minimize the stressful, physical, and psychological alarm reaction that makes tinnitus such a problem.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?